Hello! Pa-share naman ng live. Tingin lang. Ano yung Kumu takeover? Ay, Kumu. Feel better. 20 winners ng 5,000 Mercury Grand. Pwede rin to. Ayo. Itong ano, hi po sa mga bagong pasok. Top 15. Okay, yeah. Iya pa niyan. Pogi! Hi! 안녕하세요. Hi po, idol. Poging nerdy. Wala na, lagi ko nang susuotin to. Sabi niya, pogi ako dito.
Wala na, lalaki na ulo.
Uy, malaki na talaga yung ulo.
Uy.
Good evening! Nga naman ka. Nasa day ka. Hello, Carly too. Hello po. Good evening. Hindi kami nakapunta sa video ni Celine eh. Kasi masama pakiramdam ni Mahals. Kakagigil. Hoy, Ate Honey. Lalo kong papayat niyan. Pinaglilihian mo ko. Still I will show what I'm going to say. Bear with me, please, if I take up too much of your time. See, in this box is a ring for your oldest. She's my everything, and all that I know is. Hi, Kai. Same side. Cause very soon I'm hoping that I can be a daughter, my wife. Uy, thank you so much sa pulang kabayo, Ate Frenzy May. Pa-share ng live. Share ko lang din. Wait lang guys, share ko lang sa IG, di ba? Bakit ganun yung picture ko? Malabo yung picture ko sa Kumu. May punta ka nga sa ano, Kumu saglit.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Hindi ako.
Kailan ka ba naging fan?
Pagising.
Ano?
Pagbagong gising.
Ba't ang dilim mo?
Hmm?
Ang dilim mo.
Ganun pala yun. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest. Thank you po sa pag-share. Hi, Poging Nerdy. Thank you, ate. Knock Knock, Carlimpin by Shamrocks. Ay. Alipin yon. Wow, may baon ka. Thank you po sa pulang kabayo. Hi, Shaye. Hanggang kasalan yan, Carl. Gandang gabi. Gandang gabi. Thank you po, Kayan. To the day that I die, I'm gonna marry your daughters. Should be the most beautiful girl that I ever see. She walks down the aisle, Father. Sorry, wala akong okay lang yun, self-love. What if gantong nerdy tapos matalino? Tapos, active pa sa sports. Paano ba may kaklase kang ganun? Ah, patay na. E di go. Auto-crush daw. Anong luluhuran? Ano oo na agad? Di pa nga nanligaw sa'yo. Paano pag di naman nanligaw sa'yo? Oo agad. Tapos, ano pa, 6-footer. Pila na. Yun o, si Ivy. Go, go, drop, drop. Kailangan mag-level 2.
Yung salita nila dun sa isa niya. Eh, sis kasama ko naman kasi si Carl. Nagtatagalog kami dalawa. So, expected na mga
Daddy si Dylan kasi magpapap... Ano? Magpapaktisan siya bukas.
Tagalog ako.
Papacity scan!
Talaga lahat ay kilala tayo.
Hala, pahinga ka na, Dailin.
Tagalog ako.
Totoo? Sinagot mo ba ang papacity scan niya? Wow, ang bait naman ng mami ko.
Carl.
Anong gusto mo mamaya? Sige, dahil mabait ka, meron kang mamaya.
Ano?
Basta, surprise.
Hilot! I deserve hilot, guys!
Ano? Hiyot?
Hilot!
Hilot?
Hinilot! Hilot!
Hiyot?
Hilot!
Hilot?
Hilot.
Sige.
Hilot. Di ba hilot?
Sige.
Hmm.
Mami, parang nalugi na ako
Hilot na.
Nakadalawang hilot ka na, hindi mo pa
Sabi
ako
mo,
hinilot,
anong gusto ko? Hilot lang eh.
Sige, basta pagbibigyan mo din ako.
Huwag na lang.
Kung pagbibigyan mo din ako.
Huwag na lang.
Ano wag na lang? Hindi mo pa nga alam yung gusto
Ay,
mo.
ano ba? Ano ba yung gusto mo?
Di ko pa nga
Oh, ano nga? Boss, ano gusto mo, boss? Ano nga yun? Ano? Ano? Timpla ng gatas. Gatas.
Gatas?
Hmm.
Hindi.
Ano yun? Hmm. Ano nga? Ano yun, boss? Boss. Boss, ano?
Oh.
Oh. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Hilot mo din ako.
Ano hilutan ka yun? Sabi ko sa'yo, magano na lang tayo eh.
Ano?
Nagtatawagin yung service.
Ang service?
Yung yung tagahilot, yung ginawa natin, nagpaspa tayo.
Oo nga.
Ganun na lang tayo.
Ayan.
Pwede pa balas gis na.
Wala mo.
Kaya nga eh. Di ba? Sige na, nag-edit kasi ako.
Hilutin kita mamaya.
Yay!
Aray. Yari ka mamaya.
Kung bakit. Pagpunta namin, tignan mo, ang gulo-gulo mo.
Huwag ka mag-alala. Bukas magpapacity scan ka na din.
Salita nila dun sa isa niya.
Mami,
Hmm.
baka bukas magpa-CT scan ka na din.
Huy!
Huy! Ay, hindi ba? Ay, hindi. Kinikilig ako, sabi ni Ate Ani. Ate Ani!
Sa isang lugar na...
Baka yung bibi mo, hawig naming dalawa.
Eh, sis kasama ko naman kasi si Carl. Nagtatagalog kaming dalawa. So, expected na mga tao.
Oh, what if lang naman? Ha? Ay, alis ba kami bukas? Sayang, babalian ko siya ng buto mamaya eh.
Tagalog ako. Ito na kami, tapos kapag na kami sa lugar na pinuntahan namin.
Charot. Pag ganyan ang bait ko tingnan. Makisi right. Yeah. Papik Daddy, up ka lang. Ganda niyan. Oo, kung saan ko ito binili, hindi ko maalala eh. Shigetsu ata to?
Oh, Shigetsu.
Shigetsu. Bigay ng Shigetsu. Oo, Shigetsu. Totoo. Sa tulad dyan, boom boom. Ayan ang aeroplano. Guys, lilipad na. Shigetsu din. Di ba? Mami, masakit yung ano ko. Parang kailangan ko din ng ano. Uy! Hindi. Puson ba mas... Opo, nabitin. Sakit yung puson ko, mami. Nabitin. Tama kasi right. Thank you po, Ate Tina. Mukhang mapapa-end live to. Hindi naman. Di baka magkakaroon ka na. Totoo. Piling ko magkakaroon na ako. Palagi na kayo may hawak na hanger, no? Parang pumayat. Oo, pumayat ako. Uy, si Ate Venus. Pumayat ako. Kasi ano oras na kami nagigising eh. Kahapon, hindi ako nakakapag-breakfast. Although ngayon, ang ginagawa na namin ni Mahal, para makatulog kami. Kasi minsan di kami makatulog dahil gutom. Ginagawa namin, nagkakanin kami bago matulog. Tapos pahinga onte tulog. Kaya matutulog kami ng busog. So pagising namin, hindi kami masyadong gutom. Diba? Uy! Thank you po, Ate Rosel! Wala ba magpapalipad dyan, guys? Ng hanger? Kami may mga dumaan sa'yo kanina na ano? Ibang lahi.
Hindi na, hindi naman ibang lahi, pero
Mga OFW?
hindi din. Nung dumaan kanina, parang Pinoy lang din.
OFW nga? Bakit? Ano ba yung OFW?
Hindi taga ibang bansa. OFW kasi di ba sa ibang bansa. Sa Pilipinas lang. Streamer lang ganun.
Streamer. Nagbagsak naman. Nagbagsak naman sila. Nga naman ka! Thank you po. Uy, may nag-request na pala mag-up. Yan, pa-up na natin. Ate Maneline. Carlia 20, di naman kita makita eh. Ayan. Hello. Picture tayo. Wait lang, wala ka atang. Yan. Picture. Uy, sama ka. On cam. Yan. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, next. Si Ate Hani daw. Nahiya ba siya? Morena, ganda. Truth. Gandang Morena. Uy, may mga... Ano yan? Manok. Ba't puro manok yan? Puro may pakpak. Si Ana Maria Jet. Gwapo kasi. Huy. Nahiyaman ko, oy. Nahiyaman ako, oy. Kapalati. Dad nag-ship ba si Kuya Ben ng vape? Oh, pwede. Uy, thank you po, Ate Sky. Kaso kung magpapa-ship ka ng vape, damihan mo na yung order kasi sayang shipping mo. Mamaya mas mahal pa yung shipping. Damihan mo na. Para pa matagalan mo na if ever. Like, kuha ka 5. 5, 10. Tapos kung ayaw mo naman yung lahat, benta mo. Yan sa inyo. Sabi natin, Ivy, guys, ilang level para mag-open? Level 2! Ate Ivy. Ito muna ang lumilipad, Daddy. Saan? Hi, Ate Gretchen. Uy, Ate Irish, thank you. Huy, hindi yan, kalabati yan. Drop ka Yama. Try mo mag-drop ng Yamashita. Para maka-up ka. Hi, Eunice. Thank you. Inaantok na naman ako. Wala kasi tayong B8 eh. Lobat.
So, ganun yung tingin niya sa akin. So, syempre ako, iyain kasi talaga ako.
Ay, Mami. Charge mo kaya ito. Nandyan, no? Sa tabi mo. Charge mo sa tabi mo. Ayan.
Ayan. Yung sinacharge. Ayan na.
Hi, El! Nakita naman DP ni Ella. Anong DP ni Ella? Thank you, Eunice. Chon. Magpaaralan naman kayo, Jarns. Sino yung ano? Remote?
Pop, pop. Music ka na lang, babe.
Ayan. Pop, pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
Kailan may papadala yan yung cellphone?
Meron kayo gusto ko.
How's you, brother? I'm good. Ate Grace, thank you. Ano gusto mo? Makakantay natin. Hindi pa namin na-PM si Boss Makoy. Hi, Eunice. Thank you so much. Ano kayang kantay mo? Love yourself. Love yourself. Karaoke. Hi. Shh, eh. Chicken inasal. Uy, hello, Yel. In my parade. And all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. Think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up. Baby, I've been moving on, and I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, so baby, you should go and love yourself. Self-love. No, there's something you should go and love yourself. Told me that you hated my friends. The only problem was with you and not them. And every time you told me my opinion was wrong, try to make me forget where I came from. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my phone up. Baby, I've been moving on, and I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, so baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Bravo. For all the times that you made me feel small, I fell in love, now I fear nothing at all. I never felt so low when I was vulnerable. Was I a fool to let you break down my walls? 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, so baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, so baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. You know. Good night! Good night, yeah! Ingat ka sa school again tomorrow. Ano ba? Night changes. Guys, let's go! Drop some gifts! Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like the kind of dress, everything she never had. She's showing off. Too fast, moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants. Let's go. We're only getting older, baby. I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Even when the night changes, everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. There's nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes. It will never change me and you. Chasing her tonight, 10 dots are running through her head. He's waiting, hides behind a cigarette. Heart is beating loud and she doesn't want to stop. Ano daw? Moving too fast, moon is lighting up her skin. She's falling, doesn't even know it yet. Having no regrets, all that she really wants. Uy, dali ka na. We're only getting older, baby. I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. Hey, even when the night changes, it will never change me and you. Let's go! Come on! Come on! Sky daw maging high! Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like the kind of dress. Reminds me of missing piece of she lost. Hindi ko mabay. Only getting older, baby. I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when we wake up. Nothing to be afraid of, even when the night changes. It will never change, baby. It will never change, baby. It will never change me and you. Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Cardi B. Walang pa-drop dyan. Uy, ang galing. Pinubulan niyo ako Hindi kayo magbabagsak. Taluin ko kayo.